IJ280 is leaps ahead of other films in the market. It's going to revolutionise installation from the fitter's point of view as well as the business point of view. IJ280 needs less heat overall in terms of both the fitting conditions and also the actual application. Therefore, you spend less time picking your heat gun up, etc., and less heat involved in going into recesses and around conform curves. So the adhesive in IJ280, whilst it will still tack without any application, it still gives you the confidence that if you need to, you can still reposition it without destroying any control tack.
There are good vinyls out there, but I trust 3M when it comes to printed wraps more than anything, and especially with their colour changes as well. I've used a lot of 180. It takes a decent amount of heat to get it to go into a recess. When Gav showed me the small amount of heat needed to get it in the recess, and you can do it one hit, no stopping, it is pretty impressive, yeah.
So I've used loads of films, loads of different brands of films, but IJ280, it ranks at the top for me. The fitting that I've done today with it is brilliant. I can't fault it. It does half the work for you. As any fitter would know, it's a nice feeling, and it makes you feel good about yourself, which then gives you more confidence and allows you to fit faster.
Our customers are always expecting the next level of quality, and deeper, more vibrant colours is the first thing that everyone notices when they walk onto the site to pick up their vehicle. So having them rich colours that the IJ280 is allowing us to produce is really going to help us, hand over those vehicles to our customers in a nice way.
It already is a massive hit here at APM, but I can see it, continually to be our film of choice. It's changed the game. It's moved the bar. Speed of an install is obviously going to be key for any organisation, but when our installers are physically happy with the product, it makes them install the product quicker. Our fitters strive for perfection all the time, as we do as business owners as well. So being ahead of the game, moving with the times, seeing that 3M are willing to develop, enhance and improve, it's only going to add further stature to us as a company moving forward.
We work with some of the most premium brands in the world and big fleet contracts as well. And it's important to us to have a film that stands up to what it's supposed to do. The IJ280 material has made it quicker to fit, it's easier to glide around the panel. And to be honest with you, the feedback I've had from the fitters is really strong. It's a real improvement. Our business is built around quality and recommendation, and to have that, we have to have a product that lasts. That's why we've aligned ourselves with 3M MCS. This product is covered by 3M MCS, which is really good for us. This means when my sales team are dealing with large fleet customers or even individual customers that want that reassurance and guarantee, we can guarantee it.